As families in Weston, Massachusetts grow and lifestyles evolve, comfort and safety at home become even more important. Whether it's protecting little ones, improving energy efficiency, or creating a brighter, cozier environment, window replacement can make a big difference in how your home feels and functions. Modern replacement windows do far more than enhance curb appeal. They offer features designed to improve security, insulation, and everyday convenience. For growing families in Weston, replacing old, inefficient windows is an investment that pays off in comfort, peace of mind, and long-term savings. Here's how upgrading your windows can make your family home safer, more comfortable, and perfectly suited for every stage of life. Enhanced safety for children and pets. One of the most important benefits of modern window replacement is improved home safety. Older windows with loose frames, splintering wood, or worn-out locks can pose risks for children and pets. They may open too easily, or worse, fail to open in an emergency. New replacement windows are designed with advanced safety features such as secure, tamper-resistant locks to prevent accidental openings, double-hung designs that allow you to open the top sash for ventilation while keeping the bottom closed, perfect for homes with small children, tempered or laminated safety glass, which is far more resistant to breakage and less likely to cause injury if shattered. These features help Weston families maintain a safer home without sacrificing ventilation or convenience. Improved energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Weston's climate is known for its extremes, from chilly winters to humid summers. For families with young children or elderly relatives, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature is essential. Unfortunately, older, drafty windows make that difficult and drive up energy costs. Modern energy-efficient replacement windows feature double or triple pane glass that traps heat during winter and reflects it during summer, low E coatings that help control UV rays and minimize heat transfer, argon gas fills and insulated frames for enhanced thermal performance. These technologies keep your home's interior temperature steady, reduce drafts, and lower energy bills. For growing families, that means a more comfortable home, no matter what New England weather brings. Better noise reduction for peaceful living between busy work schedules, school activities, and neighborhood traffic. Family life can already be hectic. The last thing you want is outside noise disrupting your peace. High-quality replacement windows offer noise-reducing insulation that helps keep your home quieter. Multi-pane glass and airtight seals minimize sound transmission, allowing your family to rest, study, or relax in a more peaceful environment. For families living near Weston's main roads or busier neighborhoods, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. Increased natural light and healthier spaces. Modern replacement windows are designed with larger glass areas and slimmer frames, allowing more natural light to flood your home. This creates a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere, perfect for playrooms, family spaces, or home offices. Exposure to natural light is also linked to better mood and productivity, making it especially beneficial for children studying at home or parents working remotely. Additionally, energy-efficient coatings block harmful UV rays, helping protect your furniture, floors, and artwork from fading over time. Low maintenance for busy families. With a growing family, every minute counts. The last thing parents want is to spend weekends scraping paint or struggling to clean difficult-to-reach windows. Modern replacement windows are built for easy maintenance with features such as tilt-in sashes that allow you to clean glass surfaces from inside your home, durable vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist warping, rotting, and peeling, long-lasting finishes that never need repainting. These low-maintenance designs help Weston homeowners save time and keep their homes looking fresh year after year. A smart investment in family comfort and home value. New windows don't just improve daily living, they also add long-term value to your Weston home. Energy efficient, modern windows appeal to future buyers and demonstrate a commitment to quality and care. According to real estate experts, window replacement is one of the top home improvement projects for ROI, often recouping a large percentage of its cost in added resale value. For families planning to stay in their homes long-term, the savings on energy bills and reduced maintenance costs make it even more worthwhile. Final thoughts for growing families in Weston: window replacement is more than a home upgrade, it's a lifestyle improvement. Modern windows provide enhanced safety, improved comfort, better energy performance, and lasting peace of mind. By choosing professional installation and high-quality, energy-efficient designs, you'll create a home that's safer, quieter, and more inviting, the perfect environment for your family to grow and thrive for years to come.